There are like 3,000 religions because of just one thing. When one group of people sees things slightly differently than another group of people, they just pick up their and go home. This is so true with churches. This group of people thinks the body of Christ should be wine. This group of people thinks it should be grape juice. This group thinks you need to play traditional music. This group thinks that you need to play modern. And on it goes until there's thousands of variations on people who have all the same core beliefs. It's all because of one thing. They can't agree on the negotiables and non-negotiables. What if they just got together and they decided on what's negotiable and what's non-negotiable and agreed to sort it all out? Could all the negotiable stuff be negotiated? Could all the non-negotiable stuff be compromised and settled on? I reckon that you'd have a much happier tribe with a bit more clarity on what really matters. Let's slide the stuff that doesn't matter too much. You'd have a much larger congregation if you just took the time to talk about the things that matter most to you. Imagine the momentum that you'd have if you just moved the really big stuff in your organization. What kind of momentum do you figure you'd get if you just moved the big stuff in your life?